Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Zorto back with a brand new video for you guys. So I just opened up this SCUF ELITE control that I got, and it came with 4 of these beautiful paddles on the back of it. This is what I ordered on it, and the issue is when I plug in my Astro A40 mix amp into here, it actually ends up lifting these buttons up like that, and then you can't push the buttons down to actually use them, so they basically become useless. So what I'm going to show you guys today is how to remove these paddles and customize them however you would like. So you're going to take it off the back of the controller. This is the SCUF ELITE controller. You're going to simply just lift it up a bit and slide it out, guys. It might need a little bit of force, but you just slide it out and it will come out just like that. You can take out all of them. Super easy to take them out, guys. And then you can put them back in how you wish. So how for my setup for my Astro A40s to work, I just need the outside panels, which controls A and B, which are the most important ones. So I hope that helped you guys out, and thank you guys so much for watching. If this helped you out, make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.